Okay.
All right.
Oh, there's a couch.
There's a couch, okay?
All right. And let's see if the lights work.
You smell cigarette smoke?
We do.
Okay.
We do have light. That's good.
Okay.
No, we definitely have
Is there a kitchen light we can turn on?
got cooling. Uh-oh. No, we don't. We don't have a light bulb there.
Let's see what we got. We are in a college town, and there's some beer in our college town. Okay, so this is a kind of a dirty refrigerator. That'll be something to look forward to there, babe.
Well, maybe we can leave it open and use it as light before I unplug it.
Okay. All right. Let's look at the closets.
We're getting. I only brought like 2 garbage bags.
I think we're going to throw away most of the stuff, but I will ask her. All right. Hey, we have light.
We have lots of hangers.
Okay. Oh, they're a fan of Duke.
Favorite,
All right, let me walk in the bathroom. I guess I'll wait on you. Let me walk in there.
Wait, there's no light. It looks like
No lights. Okay. Okay, I got the light on, babe. All right. So there is our toilet.
let's see if it.
Okay. You know, if you use that toilet bowl solution, it'll probably make that thing come all that perfectly clean.
Well, I brought the Lysol Power.
Yeah. I think Lysol Power will be fine. I'd go ahead and get it in there.
Goodness gracious. Ugh. We need to wash it. Okay.
All right, here's the tub. You're going to have some fun with this tub.
I might want to just spray the mildew cleaner on it now.
Yeah.
Not scrubbing. Getting out the
All right.
tiles. So you think, ooh, that's bright. You think light from a phone is going to work for me to clean this?
I think the sun's going to come up and you'll have this. You'll have light from this window right here.
Okay.
You'll be
I don't want her
okay.
coming in and I'm cleaning by phone light.
Well, I'll let you get started.
I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay, go ahead and ask me a few questions. Okay.
Well, how much? I like to clean out all the junk and garbage before I start.
Yeah.
So you're saying don't do that?
No, go ahead. I would say, but while you're doing it, I'd go ahead and spray your oven with oven off.
Yeah, you don't need to tell me those things.
Well, you just said you're asking questions.
No, you were giving me answers to questions I didn't ask.
Oh. All right. Well, I would still spray this thing with oven off.
Yeah, I would too, and I'm going to go in the bathroom and spray in there.
Okay, so what was your question?
Well, that was my question. Do I throw out all the junk? What am I not throwing out?
Oh, what stuff do you keep and what stuff do you throw out?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good question. So you should spray out the oven with oven off. That was a joke. Oh, okay. I will call her right now and find out what we keep and throw out.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Is that a reminder for me? Like in case I decide that, oh, the microwave must be clean, I better not open it.
Just in case you forget. Okay, well, I will let you get going.
Okay, yeah, I need that information.
I would open all these windows up for light. I wouldn't leave the refrigerator open. Okay, so Jess is getting ready to clean. And put some stuff in the toilet bowl while we're waiting. Jess probably doesn't appreciate me doing this. She likes to clean. So I'm putting Lysol Power in here. So look at that toilet. There's a good chance that's rust. And I just made a video on how to remove rust from the toilet. And I discussed the lime cleaner. This is what we have now, is Lysol Power. So it isn't the rust and lime, but let's see how it does. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to spray it in there and let it sit. I think this is going to work too. We'll see. So we'll just let that sit for a while. And watch, Jess is going to She's gonna yell at me when she comes in here and sees me spraying the
Is there a light socket in the bathroom?
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this oven. When you're doing these nasty houses, go ahead and spray this thing, because the longer you let it spray and sit, the easier it is. What is it, babe?
You're doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Go call her and ask. I mean, seriously. It drives me nuts.
I'm spraying,
Put the
babe.
video off. Gosh, you want me to do it and then you come and do it. Move.
I love you, babe.
No.
Okay.
Call them to see what I need to throw out. Okay, well, go get some money.
So, babe, can you look at me? Were you really yelling at me out of anger? Are you mad at me?
There's a light. I might see the light.
Oh.
Oh,
Hey.
yay, got some light.
All right, babe. Well, you ready for me to go and leave you alone?
Well, I need to get...
So, tell me a little bit about your plan while you're cleaning here. What are you going to do in this house?
Well, first of all, I'm going to get the garbage up. And then I'll start in the kitchen and then move to the bathroom. And then go from there. What bothers me is the lighting.
Mm-hmm.
I really... Well, I like to do a good job, and if you can't see...
If you can't see, it's hard to do a good job?
Yeah, I wish you would have told me to bring the lantern.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't tell you to bring the lanterns. As you can see, Jessica is a little sassy this morning. Did you have 2 cups of coffee?
I'm not sassy. I'm just...
Wow. Well, what an exciting cleaning documentary this is.
Yeah, I hope people are watching.
I hope our marriage can survive such drama. Well, we thought we would take a break here in the middle of this documentary to tell you a little bit about Turn Clean Services. So we clean. Where do we clean at, Jessica?
Metro Atlanta and Athens.
Yeah, Metro Atlanta and Athens. And so while Jess does some of the cleanings, and you see her a lot on the video, we have contractors that we use that clean throughout 285 and in the perimeter and outside the perimeter. So if you're a realtor or a property manager and you have a home that you want to get cleaning, carpet cleaning, painting, or junk removal, please visit our website. Do you want to point toward?
Yes.
Please visit our website, turncleanservices.com. All right, well, maybe a quick question or two before we get back to the movie. So you've watched Turn Clean Services grow. Mm-hmm. You were there when I told you I thought I'd start a cleaning business. Mm-hmm. What is so they've heard the story. I think I've got a link to starting the business here. What is one of the oddest things you've seen in the cleaning business?
I have never seen a house like this, and I didn't know a house like this could exist.
Okay.
But we walked into the door, and we literally saw, like, the cockroaches were moving all over the walls. And then in the kitchen, instead of white cabinets, they looked brown because of all the cockroach poop.
Did you know that cockroaches, as crazy as the cleaning business has been, I am so proud of what we have.
Yeah, we're really proud of Turn Clean and the good work that they do. And
well, you say they do good work. I'd like to know if you're going to do good work. They have watched your house being, dare I say, a little sassy with your wonderful husband.
He should be apologizing for using that word.
I would like to see how good a cleaner you are. Let's head back to...
Do not doubt me. Let's head back to